Introducing Copper Mountain Hardware, Glass and Crystal, Octagon, Regency, and Round Doorknob sets in 4 functions and 5 finishes: polished brass, antique brass, oil-rubbed bronze, polished chrome, and brushed nickel. There are 3 knob styles. This is the Octagon Providence knob, shown here with an oil-rubbed bronze base. Next, we have the Regency fluted knob, shown with a brushed nickel base. And lastly, we have the traditional round knob, shown here with an antique brass base. These doorknob sets are available in 4 functions, including a single-sided dummy, a double-sided dummy, a passage hall closet, and privacy bed bath. We carry a variety of backplate styles, but these are 2 of our most popular, the Victorian rosette and the Georgian rosette. Here we have a single-sided dummy, 1 knob on one side of the door, and a blank rosette on the other side. The rosettes screw into each other through the door. A double-sided dummy would be nearly the same, except there would be a matching knob on the back side of the door instead of the blank plate. Shown here is a Providence Octagon doorknob set with Georgian rosettes in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. For a passage hall closet set, you receive the passage spindle and latch, plus the face and strike plate. You can order this as a privacy bed bath set, which includes all of the same hardware, as well as a privacy spindle and privacy pin to lock and unlock the door.